Hello, guys and gals. This is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and it's time for our weekly analysis. And this is actually the second week we've been doing this, so I'm going to try to do this at least every weekend or every other weekend with that time will permit. And it's just to analyze what type of movement is on the YouTube site. And once I get into analytics, I got to build that up still. I'm going to be showcasing that as well, just to purpose to see how the channel is growing and to do it real time for someone that started bottom level, started pretty much fresh. This channel's been around for a long time, but I didn't really have any content on it. As you can see, no one's really remotely even cared. And this is just recently, so little humps. I mean, this is not anything cataclysmic, catastrophic, I don't know, anything huge, I guess. And it's gone up since last week. So this is just the 28-day analytics, and I just want to focus on the 7-day. And so we've gone up 26% views, so that's good. I can attest that to probably just more videos out there, which I'll just keep making more content. I will make it appropriate content. I'm just not going to throw content out there. I'm going to make it worth people's while to tune in. Watch time went down 63%. That's quite a bit. But we'll try to bring that up with good content, better content, and no subscribers this week. Estimated revenue. Still got that 3 cents going from last week. So that's cool. I'm very happy that at least viewership went up at least 26%. Not a lot of views, 78, but it will be interesting to contrast that in a year's time. And that's the reason I'm doing these on a weekly basis, just to see, just to show people how this will organically grow. So let's look at the other demographics or the other things here that I haven't really looked at. All right, so we're up for impressions. So it's YouTube is showing my stuff more. Click-through rate down. Views again up. Unique viewers 12. All right, nothing to write home about. Nothing outstanding there. Watch time is down. Average view duration is down. So what does this tell me? People are just not engaged in my videos. I'll take that to heart. I won't take it too much to heart for another couple weeks, actually a couple months. So another month and a half. If this is still kind of around the same thing, this isn't going up, then I need to rethink my content and how I'm presenting it. Let's see what the audience is. And unique viewers again, average views per viewer, and subscribers nothing, which is I didn't expect anything outrageous this week or next week or the next week or again the next couple months. When it gets into month 3 and 4 and nothing's improved, then I have to think through what I'm doing. So these are just other demographics, analytics that you can look through. Again, I'm not too concerned right now. Seems my average viewership and the gender is all the same, age range the same. And a lot of this could just be me too. But there are unique viewers, so that's good. But a lot of this can be just me going on and making sure the video's running good and it looks fine and all that good stuff. But it isn't all that, but it is some of that. So you got to take that into consideration as well. And okay, so really none of this stuff I'm too concerned about. So that's about it. I don't want to drag this out too long. I just want to show y'all another week of analytics and how we're looking, and we will check back next Saturday to see if things have improved. That's all I'm interested in, is improvement. If this goes up 1, I'll be happy. Watch time hopefully goes up a little bit too. All right, folks, I hope this is of interest to you, and you can watch this channel grow, and hopefully if you're starting your channel, we can watch that grow, and it'd be, I don't know, it's just interesting to look at this on a weekly basis. So I wish you a good weekend, because I am filming this on a Saturday, and I'm going to have a lot of coffee and make some more videos. So I will see you folks later. I appreciate you. Please share, like, subscribe below. You know the deal. And I will catch you later. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Take care.